This month, Apple's likely to introduce their Apple Watch Series 7. So what can we expect from the new model? Well, that's what I'll explain right now. So the most noticeable change will be its design. Leaked renders have revealed that the Series 7 will adopt the same flat sides as the iPhone 12 and iPad Pro. This will accentuate the device's thickness more than the current models with curved edges, but luckily, the Series 7 is rumored to be 1.7mm thinner than the Series 6. Along with a thinner digital crown and a thinner bezel, the watch should look sleeker than ever before. But there is one thing that'll be larger, and that's the display, going from 40 and 44mm to 41 and 45mm. That may not sound like much, but it's actually enough of an improvement for Apple to create exclusive watch faces that utilize the extra screen real estate. The secret behind the more compact Series 7 Apple Watch will be its new S7 chip, featuring a double-sided design that occupies less space than before. It'll also allow for improved wireless connectivity for cellular and Wi-Fi networking, plus a new U1 ultra-wideband chip that's even more responsive. The speaker grille should be much larger, suggesting a louder, more powerful sound, and it won't be a new generation of Apple Watch without a new color. This year, the Series 7 is expected to be available in green aluminum, perhaps similar to the color we saw on the iPad Air. The price of the Apple Watch is expected to remain the same, $399 for the 41mm model and $429 for the 45mm model. Although the watch will likely be introduced this month, its release date could be delayed more than usual due to production issues related to the Series 7's complex new design. This is Greg with Apple Explained. Thanks for watching till the end, and I'll see you in the next video.